guys, welcome back. You know when it's the morning and there's no good food in the house, you don't know what to eat? Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make the best scrambled eggs ever. You're going to need a pan, salt, cheese, a plate, any type of spray or oil that you want, a spoon, another spoon, a bowl, some milk, and of course, the eggs. And don't forget the oven. So first I have my pan here, the ingredients, and the spoon and the plate for the food to go on. First, you're gonna need to open your eggs, and I like 3 eggs, but you can put as many as you want.
1, 2,
3. I like to mix it. So you've mixed it like this. I like to put a little bit of milk. Then you want to mix some more so that the milk and the eggs are all mixed in and it all looks like one color. First you want to have the stove on, and then you want to get your olive oil, shake it a bit so it's good, and then you want to put everywhere, right? So that the thing won't stick. Then you want to take your eggs that you put milk and all of this. You want to put it in. You want to put it slowly. If you put it fast, well then it can just not turn out good. You want to shake it a bit so the eggs go everywhere. They're not all in one spot. After this, I want to take this, right? I like a lot of cheese, so I take like 3 handfuls. After this, I like to take my salt. So I do like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to take your spatula or whatever you're going to use, and then you just have to wait. And then since we're making egg, what you want to do is once it's like kind of ready, then you just want to wait a little bit. And once it's ready, you want to mix it. Then it will look like scrambled eggs. Wait like a minute or 2 if you want. And then after a while, you just feel out with your spatula once you think it's ready. Once you mix it around a bit, it will start to look like scrambled eggs, like how it is now. Then you probably want to take off the fire. So then you could carry this and mix it a bit. Then you want to mix a little bit. And then after mixing, take your plate, your spatula, and then you want to put it on like this, right? I want to put it all on. I do like this, and I scrape down, so then all the things, they come here. Right? Then I have this, and then I get my second spoon. So we have it all ready, all here. And then it's hot right now, so you don't want to touch the eggs right yet. So then you want to mix a little bit more. It should look like this. See all that brown stuff? That was like me messing up. If you don't have those brown stuff, it's probably going to taste better. But if you have them, it will still taste very good. And then, after this, you just have to wait and wait and wait until it's not hot anymore. An amazing scoop like this. I feel good. Just like that. This will be the best eggs you ever taste. Oh my gosh, it's literally the best thing ever. And yeah. Thank you for watching.